Okay, so the area between, same function. It's in my calculator already, thank goodness. So I might go to my window, and maybe I'll go from to, I'm going to graph it again. That's not what I want that to look like. Did I graph that right? That's not, oh, yeah, I'm cool. Never mind. It is what I want it to look like. All right, so here I am. Graphing is part of it now, always part. Might use my pencil. And I'm going to go from -1, which I could easily plop -1 into this function and 1 into this function and figure out where that's hitting. Okay? But for the sake of speed, I'm going to say it's definitely looking like this. Is that all right with everybody? And I've got area here and I've got area here. I'm not certain if this thing is symmetrical at all. So I don't really want to find one part of it and double it. Okay, sometimes you can do that, like with cosine and sine functions, definitely. If you have a bunch of parts, just find one little part and multiply by whatever you need. But I'm not sure now, so I'm going to use my rule that says I'm absolutely welcome to go the integral from -1 to 0 of x cubed plus x squared minus 6x dx. And then, what about this one? I'm going to go like this. Minus, that's what I would do. Why am I putting minus if I want to add the two areas together? Okay, it's going to be negative. So if that's going to be negative, I'll subtract it to make it positive. Okay? You can do this all at once. I know that you can do it by hand. I'm totally confident of that. And this would be a perfect problem. No, it wouldn't. I lied. Never mind. What if it was on a non-calc test and you were like, how are we supposed to graph this? Okay, you know where it's bound. Put the number 1 in here and get 1 plus 1 minus 6, and you know that that's down here at -4. And put in -1 and get -1, 1, and positive 6, and put that number there, and look at it and go, oh, if those were 0, I'd be at 0, and then just connect the dots. You know, it doesn't have to be great. It just has to know that some's above and some's below. Okay, but we do have our calculator today, and I'm just going to type in all at once. I'm trying to get out of that thing there. And I'm going to go, okay, math 9, -1 up to 0 of x to the third plus x squared. If you can think of a faster way, do it. Minus 6x. I just like to see it there. I'm sorry. I just like to see it. X minus math 9 0 to 1 of the same thing. I get 5.5. Okay. Loving it.